Hey, this is AJ for the Disney 411 News. Starting in international park news this week, it's been announced that Walt Disney Studios Park in Paris will soon be renamed to Disney Adventure World. Disney also revealed that a new acrobatic stunt show titled Alice and the Queen of Hearts Back to Wonderland will debut on May 25th, and that the show will have two possible endings which can be decided by the audience. Along with this, Disney also revealed the next phase of transformations for the hotels and the ongoing reimagining of Disney Village. Moving over to Magic Kingdom, two new signs have gone up around Tiana's Bayou Adventure for the new gift shops that are coming to the area. Critter Co-op will be replacing the old Briar Patch, whilst Tiana's Bayou General will be located at the exit to the attraction. In addition to this, we were also given a sneak peek at the frogs and many of the other critters with big personalities that you'll be able to see throughout the attraction when it debuts this summer. It's also been revealed that Disney are preparing to file initial permits to expand beyond Big Thunder Mountain, which is expected to be the largest Magic Kingdom expansion to date. Moving over to Epcot, Disney have announced a limited time Passholder Lounge for the upcoming V I Passholder days. It will be located at Restaurant Marrakesh in the Morocco Pavilion and will be open May 1st through June 18th, noon till 8 PM. This past week, Disney announced a number of changes coming to the Disability Access Service from May 20th at Walt Disney World and June 18th at Disneyland. For guests requiring use of the Disability Access Service, we recommend consulting the Disney website for full details and registration. And finally this week, 1900 Park Fair has reopened at the Grand Floridian Resort, where you can meet characters such as Princess Tiana, Mirabelle, Cinderella and Aladdin, who have all had their wishes come true. And that's your 411 quick take today. Head over to the Sorcerer Radio Discord at srsounds.com/Discord to chat along and keep up with the latest news. And don't forget to tune in to our hosted shows throughout the week.